Hi learners, today we're going to be focusing on suffixes, and suffixes go on the ends of words to change the meaning. So when you add these suffixes, it changes the meaning of the word. So our first suffix is ment, M-E-N-T, and it changes a verb, which is an action, to a noun. So to govern means to operate something. So a teacher governs a classroom and a principal governs a school. The president governs the country. So govern is a verb. And when you add ment to the end of govern, you get government. And government is a noun because it can be a place, a government building, or it can be a thing, all right? So it changes the verb to a noun. Our next suffix is less, and less creates adjectives, and adjectives describe something that mean without. So if I had rest, that means I'm ready to go, I was able to sleep. But if I was restless, it means I am without rest. So the suffix less creates adjectives that mean without. For example, rest means I had rest, and restless means I am without rest. And our last suffix is the suffix ness. And ness creates nouns, and nouns is a person, place, thing, or idea, out of an adjective. An adjective describes something and suggests a state of being. So, lazy is an adjective, but laziness is a state of being. So you can be lazy, adjective, and laziness is a state of being. So let's go over our suffixes. Remember, they go on the end of words. Make sure they go on the end of words to change the meaning. The suffix ment changes a verb to a noun, govern to government. Less creates adjectives that mean without, rest, restless. And ness creates nouns out of an adjective and suggests a state of being. So lazy to laziness. These will be your words for this week, and then we will be studying them each day. I hope you learned a lot about suffixes.